In the wilds of Tasmania, there once roamed an extraordinary creature, a wolf-like predator known as the Tasmanian Tiger, or Thylacine, a symbol of both the beauty and fragility of life on Earth. But in 1936, this magnificent species was driven to extinction, wiped out by human actions, a tragic consequence of ignorance and overhunting. Hunted relentlessly, the Thylacine was seen as a threat to livestock, with European settlers offering bounties to anyone who could kill one. By the time the last Thylacine died in captivity, it was too late to reverse the damage. Or was it? Fast forward to today, and science is offering a remarkable second chance. Enter Colossal Biosciences, a revolutionary company pushing the boundaries of genetics and de-extinction. Working alongside the University of Melbourne, Colossal is embarking on a groundbreaking project, the resurrection of the Thylacine. The first step in this incredible journey began with DNA. Using preserved Thylacine specimens, scientists were able to sequence the genome, revealing an intricate code that holds the secrets to recreating the Thylacine. But bringing the Thylacine back isn't as simple as cloning. It's about using cutting-edge technologies to rewrite genetic material. Enter the fat-tailed Dunnart, the closest living relative to the Thylacine. This tiny marsupial will play an essential role in the resurrection process. By editing the Dunnart's genome, scientists are introducing key Thylacine traits, creating a near-perfect genetic match. Through gene editing technologies like CRISPR, they are carefully inserting Thylacine genes into the Dunnart cells. Once the genetic changes are made, the modified cells will be implanted into a Dunnart's egg, starting the process of creating a Thylacine embryo. While it may not be an exact copy of the original Thylacine, this embryo will represent a revival of the apex predator that once ruled Tasmania's forests. And as the embryo develops, it will grow in a special artificial womb, mimicking the natural environment of the Thylacine. Why resurrect the Thylacine? The answer lies in the state of Tasmania's ecosystem today. Without its apex predator, the island's ecosystem has become unbalanced, with invasive species like feral cats and overpopulations of wallabies wreaking havoc on the native environment. By reintroducing a species like the Thylacine, we can help restore balance. As the apex predator, the Thylacine controlled the populations of smaller marsupials and prevented overgrazing by herbivores. Its return could help stabilize Tasmania's fragile ecosystem and protect endangered species that are being pushed to the brink. This is more than just a scientific experiment. It's about ensuring the survival of ecosystems that are crucial for biodiversity. The Thylacine's return could pave the way for other conservation efforts, as the technology developed here could be applied to saving other endangered species across the globe. While some scientists remain skeptical about the feasibility of true de-extinction, there is no denying that this is a monumental leap forward in conservation science. What was once science fiction is now on the cusp of becoming reality. Colossal's team is determined. In the next decade, they aim to bring a Thylacine back to life, setting the stage for a rewilding program that could change the future of biodiversity conservation. The resurrection of the Thylacine may be just the beginning. As humanity faces a sixth mass extinction, we must ask ourselves, how far are we willing to go to preserve the Earth's most precious creatures? The return of the Thylacine could be the spark that ignites a revolution in conservation. If you enjoyed learning about the resurrection of the Thylacine, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content on prehistoric animals and de-extinction projects. Also, check out our last video on the Enhydriodon, the massive prehistoric otter that was larger than a lion. Discover this incredible ancient predator and its survival adaptations in the Miocene to Pleistocene periods. You won't believe how powerful this otter was.